look at a little bit of a collage of different things, because in some, everything is relative. It don't do you any good to say, well, I'm gonna build some water shoes out of bamboo, and of course you live in an area that don't have bamboo. I'm gonna build my shoes out of balsa wood, but you live in an area that don't have balsa wood. I'm gonna build my water shoes out of fiberglass, and gee whiz. In the old days, they didn't have the Home Depot, a hardware store, so we have to build with what we can build with to accomplish the objective that we are trying to accomplish. And so we look at this. I don't have one large bamboo pole. So what do I have to do? I amass, bundle several bamboo poles in a battery or bundle and put that together. You see what I'm doing? I get a bundle of whatever I can get, maybe straw, put it together. You see that? And I work that. This is a pair of early boots made out of straw. Now, of course, the water can get through that, but you can also paint the outside with pitch or tar, and you get this. They started out with buckets, then they slowly got into, here again, an upgrade of a bucket. I use sail. I use some kind of cloth or skin or whatever, that'll help me, and I just hold it up and it helped me move along. Sometimes I'm going to try, especially when you're dealing with snow, cold areas. The snow falls on the lake, and from a distance, and if you don't know any better, the lake is covered over with snow, and you walk along, and all of a sudden you don't realize you're halfway out in the middle of the lake. You're halfway out in the middle of the lake and don't even know it. Because the snow the lake is frozen, the snow has covered the lake. Now the snow has covered the lake, and the lake is warmed up in spots, late spring, early spring spots and places. You got slush, and before you know it, you're somewhere on the bottom of the lake, unless you got water shoes, wherein if you hit a soft spot, you float. And we want to take that into consideration. Now,